It's like a laughing emoji. Your head look like one of my mother. Your shit like an angry face emoji. You a
Yo,
fucking
gangster,
clown.
he dead like an angry
Word of
bird.
my mother, he look like that
fucking
shit.
smush. Like a fat nigga sat on your fucking head, clown.
It's like a fucking Skittle.
Stupid.
Lollipop head.
Like a smush grape. This shit stupid. You got a dumbass head. Like, why the fuck your shit folded in on the top like that? Like, you was not even trying to show the top of your fucking head. You just showing your fucking nose. And your mouth stink. You got mad water in your mouth. Water fountain mouth.
Hold on, this nigga keep talking about, nah, you keep talking about this nigga's dads.
This nigga got a Polish spring mouth.
No
that
funny
nigga
shit,
got
bro.
mad water.
No.
Water boy. Yeah, stop. Now he talking some clown shit. Water mouth. He said, he mad. Nobody tired. We laughing at you, clown. You niggas laughing at everybody on this live, 600. They laughing at you, clown, water boy, water mouth. What the fuck is wrong with you? This shit like a water sink. You got straight water coming out your mouth. Every time you talk, all of your children from God, you ain't say nothing. You had mad lotion in your mouth.
Like you said, all the real children from Garvey, and somebody just put their dick in their Nigga said all the real children from Garvey, somebody just put a whole
shoved the dick in your mouth.
Nigga put a whole dick in your mouth after that part. All the real children from Garvey,
Nah,
fuck you go away, yo, clown.
Hey, yo.
You a fucking clown, you fucking faggot. I swear to God, I was in the studio getting clicky. Y'all was in the studio lusty.
Shit like a
niggas was in the studio lusty. I ain't even let him finish his sentence. He said, all the real children from Garvey, dick in the mouth, selfie.
Nigga says
it's
selfie.
Coming soon. I know the selfie coming soon. And if I in the studio, that shit gonna go viral too.
Nigga head looks stupid. I swear.
Tay sucking dick in the studio. All the real children from Garvey, dick in the mouth, in parentheses. You know what's going on. See what's going on. Fuck is y'all niggas talking about? Wu Gang bitch. Nigga put a whole dick in his mouth. I swear to God.
A whole dick in his mouth.
Y'all saying pause. Don't say pause to me. I ain't doing it. He did it. Don't say pause to that man. Tag him in the post. Nigga, Tay Jones on Facebook. He want a promotion. I just gave him a promotion. He sucked dick.
Yo.
I just gave him a promotion. He sucked dick at the studio. Where my mother? He'll rap with you and then get claimed. He'll rap with you and then go suck his dick. I swear.
Yo. I know PNVJ caught the Mozzie after that.
I know he caught the Mozzie. That ass. He paid him for that.
Yo.
Cause you was in a video going man hard. I know you sucked his dick.
He gave him the box.
He gave him the Mozzie. They sucked each other off. We know that though. We niggas is faggots.
Lazy. Fuck.
Nigga said.
Yo.
Nigga heard me say, hey, what? Don't hear me say, invite me, are you scared?
What, bro? Nah, don't even invite him. He's a clown.
See, I was going to invite you, but my homies is getting tired of your mouthpiece.
He a cop.
Nah, we not even. He not saying nothing.
And if you keep
He's
talking,
a cop. You want to be.
You want to keep talking, you going to throw up dick. You retarded, so you gonna throw up with the last thing you ate. You gonna throw up dick. I swear to God. So you better stop talking, relax. Your mother was a crackhead. You're not doing so well in the head. You're still trying to act lazy. You gotta chill out.
Up now.
Fucking clown.
Like fucking crack rock.
Shit like a fucking diamond. Fuck. Nigga. Nigga sounds. Y'all see what's going on.
He said Kima Day got a photo of PNVJ sucking dick.
They ain't posted. They would have been posted that. That would have went viral.
Niggas heard me. He keeps saying that.
Why you keep writing the same shit, you fucking bozo?
I can't.
You must have copied and pasted.
Everybody.
What if he didn't copy and paste it? He really writing the same thing.
Live looking at you like you a fucking clown.
He is a fucking clown. Look at his comments, y'all. Tay Jones.
Nigga mouth like a water bowl.
His fucking family retarded as fuck.
Honeycomb mouth.
Fuck is you talking about?
Invite him again, son.
Nah, let me invite him, y'all. One time, y'all.
One time.
Where you at? Where your bitch ass at? And you better say something this time, nigga. Cause I'm gonna smack the shit out your mother. I know where she at too. Right in the Jeep, but on, yeah, that way. Let me see. Fuck is wrong with him?
Yo, bro.
Let him talk.
You really scared of me, bro. Yo, bro. How you see me talking about, but you don't see me? What's the fact?
Now he not trying to say nothing.
You look like a scary dyke. Ah! You look like a fucking scary dyke. Ah! You's a blondie. I'm about to give you 50. You ass. You don't want to like. Word to my mother. You look like you got on a True Religion hat. That shit look like a True Religion hat. Gap. That shit like Gap, Old Navy, True Religion. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? You a fucking blondie. What the fuck? You got dreads? You have dreads? You have dreads? Word to my mother. Hold on. All of your soldiers from Garvey, that fat nigga with you. Listen. All of your soldiers from Garvey, that fat nigga with you, that nigga is pussy. Word to my mother, that fat nigga with you right now is mad fat. That's why he don't want to show himself.
Hey, yo, bro.
Tell him to get in the camera. Just tell him to get in the camera. Tell him to get in the camera. Tell him to get in the camera.
Big ass shirt.
Bro, show your body. You fucking wild. You fucking sumo wrestler. You fucking husky. You fucking donkey. You fucking balloon. You look like a bag swag. You look like bag swag.
Like a water balloon.
Like that ass. You just look like bag swag.
You like a
like
fat
you look
nigga
wobbly. Like you look unfit.
Yo,
Like you look. Yo, bro, turn the hat back around. What type of hat is that? I'm getting back to you. Do not do that. You put that hat. You spray painted it to go with your shirt. You's a bum. Everything you wear is spray painted and custom made. Everything you wear is spray painted and custom made. Everything you wear, you's a whole bum. And you wear cooler clothes. And you wear cooler clothes. And you wear cooler fits. And your man's got hit with the muffin. And your man said his name was Josh. He said his name was Josh. What is wrong with your man? Your man's got hit with a muffin. That's your day one, bro. That's niggas you used to ride with. That's niggas you used to run with. Word to my mother, you ratted on us mad times. You went to the precinct mad times. Talk about a rat. You a fucking rat. You was standing next to the cops. You talk about a rat. You was standing next to the boys. Word to my bros, the pictures on my Facebook. Everybody go on my Facebook. Y'all gonna see him right now standing next to police. Go on my Facebook. Right now, y'all gonna see this faggot standing next to police. You's a moot and a rat. They don't go together. And your man stink and he fat. That goes together.
Show the top of your head, bitches. Show the top of your head.
Bum. You's a fucking
top of your
bum.
head.
That shit is spray paint. Do not kick me off the live. You pussy. Please do not kick me off the live. Don't kick me off while I'm winding your dirty ass.
Show the top of your head.
Everybody see he's a fucking blondie. Nigga, you a redhead. You was just a blondie. You was fucking a redhead before. Say word to Nuki, you was never a redhead. Say word to Nuki, you was never a redhead. Word to my mother, I get mad bitches. I fuck mad bitches, and I got a weird head. Word to my mother, yeah, nigga. Only thing I can say is my head. Word to the bros. Only thing I can say. Say one other thing y'all said about me besides lies. But my head, I got a weird head, and I fuck mad bitches, and I don't eat pussy. I fuck mad bitches, and I don't eat pussy. Y'all niggas on the other hand, word to my mother, and your mother, and that fat nigga mother, he gotta eat butt. That fat nigga have to eat butt. He gotta eat fucking butt. So fuck, he gotta eat butt. Show your man. They doing bad. Why the fuck is you live with him? Why did you put him in the camera? Why did you put that fat nigga in the camera?
Show some jeans and you better show your head.
That's not your mans. Yo, fat nigga. FAMO is not your mans. He not your fucking mans. Because you fat and you sloppy, you dingy and your shirt mad long right now. Show your shirt. Show your fucking shirt.
You chatting right now.
Show your fucking shirt. Don't kick me off the live. Dirty. Show your shirt. Show your shirt. Show your shirt. Bro, you showing half of your face. Even your face man fat. Talking about my face, you scared to show your whole face. You scared to show your whole face. You scared. You scared.
No, bro.
You scared. There's something wrong with everybody. Nobody in this world, dickhead, nobody came out perfect, bitch. You got a million things wrong with you. I have one. I got one thing wrong with me. I have one thing wrong with me. One thing wrong with me. One thing wrong with me. You got a million things wrong with you. A million. A million. Who you trying to look like? Who the fuck is you trying to look like? Who you trying to look like? Bro, I think that's just true religion. I hope no brand hats. No brand hats. No brand hats. No spray painted hats. You got a spray painted hat. You spray painted your hat. You fucking spray painted your hat.
Where's my mother?
You spray painted your hat. You spray painted. Yeah, fat nigga. Show you. Yes, fat nigga. I want to see you. Yes. whatever you just did, do it again. Whatever you just did, do it again. Do it again. Wind this nigga up. Wind this nigga up. Wind him up. His face look like a bowling ball. Look like a bowling ball. Your eyes look like golf balls. Your eyes look like, when you see me, especially, your eyes look like golf balls when you see me.
Word of my mother.
What is that? No, show your face. You can show that. Your big ass arm. You got a big ass fucking arm.
You got cancer.
You got 3 arms and one big ass arm. Imagine how big is your neck. Imagine how big is your neck. If your arm is this big, imagine how big is your neck. How big is his neck? Deep throat. All of your toes from Garvey. All of your toes from Garvey. That's what you heard, right?
He said,
all of your toes is from Garvey.
Okay.
Oh, he trying to show his. Oh yeah.
All of your toes.
Mad water coming out your mouth now.
Dick in your mouth.
Dick
in your mouth.
All of your toes. That's how your man's. Listen, your man. Look, all of your toes is from Garvey. You don't see what I'm doing. All of your toes is from Garvey.
That shit sound like you drowning.
All of your toes is from
Garvey.
You
sound like you drowning.
All of your toes is from Garvey.
Like you were just giving
all of your toes is from Garvey. You's a whole bum. I'm about to really flesh you up. You's a mook. You do gay shit every day. I never did not one gay shit. So all that saying my son Young Jay's a mook, you're a mook. You did mad gay shit. You put on a wig. You painted your nails. You forgot that? You painted your nails. Everybody, he painted his nails. He's a fucking faggot.
He lying. If I did do it, I have everybody in Brooklyn painting their nails. Let's talk about it.
Nigga say you ain't blind. Nah, this is
what the fuck? You lame?
Nigga say you ain't blind. Nigga say you ain't 8. Nah, why niggas jacking you not 8? Why is the blood jacking you not 8, blood? Who I'm speaking to? Ooh, he said you not 8. He said you not 8, bro.
We know it.
Bro, niggas jacking you not 8. What did you do for 8?
We ain't gonna talk about that.
How you turn 8? Nigga, how you turn 8?
We ain't gonna talk about that.
Nigga, how you 8? You 8? You ate, and you did mad bad on the island. You did mad bad on Rikers Island. You did mad bad on Rikers Island. You did mad bad to Rikers Island. Your man was in PC. Your man was in PC. Your man was in PC. And you did mad bad on Rikers Island. You did bad.
Let's talk about it. You ain't show the top of your head yet.
You got bum ass with that big ass shirt by your bloods. You got dubbed by your bloods.
I know
you got dubbed by the bloods. You got dubbed by the bloods on Rikers Island.
What you talking about? And your mother big gave me fleeky vibes. And your brother 7 big gave me fleeky vibes.
Didn't dub you.
Fucking crackheaded ass.
The 8 did not dub you.
I hate y'all. Y'all bum ass.
How you get dubbed from a different set?
You got I ain't never seen you with no feet.
I heard you got dubbed from a Hertz. Hold on, they're independent. The Hertz is independent. How the fuck the Hertz dubbed you? How did the Hertz dub you? They are an independent set. How did they dub you for blood? How? I heard you got dubbed for blood. Yeah, you look, he's mad. Look, he's listening like, damn, how he know?
About to explain what I am.
I'm Tay Big Homie. I'm Tay Big Homie.
What's going on?
And you know what's up with 627. One time I'm used to your fam. What the fuck did you do? Like, what the fuck you do? Like no funny. What you do besides running? Word to the bros. I say word to your mother. Nobody used to spank you. Cause before I could record a live video with you saying that niggas used to chase you around, spank you and all that. So say word to your mother. Niggas used to never validate you.
No, not that. We used to get it on. I got back in a few times.
You lied to your mother? You lied to your mother? Cause I'm gonna show the video. Did you lie on your mother?
Oh wow.
Hold on. You said word to your mother or word to Nuke?
Show me running.
Alright, word to your mother.
What you said? What you said?
Oh, he said he sound like me. He just look, y'all heard? He tongue twisted. He's tongue twisted. Do not end this live. He will end the live. Every time I battle him, he end the live, y'all. Everybody see? Every time I battle him, he end the live. Why do he end the live? Why? Everybody asking why do you end the live? When Tay started battling, why you end your live? Everybody just please comment. When Tay 627, you know about 227, so don't act like you don't know about 227. Ask when Tay get on his bullshit, you end the live. You end the live 3 times, time. All right, just end it. I'm ready, bro. I'm ready. Go ahead, bro. You want to end the live? I know you want to end it. Just end it already, bro. You fucking blondie. You still a blondie. Even if you end it here, word to the bros, you still a blondie right now, even if you end the live. So I don't care no more. Just end it. You keep kicking me off. You're going to talk about my head. Fuck that shit.
Show your head.
1,000 things wrong with you. You mad pussy. You a rat. You a mook. You a blondie. You a transvestite. You look like a scary dyke. And you got on mad fake shit right now. Your man's mad embarrassing. The niggas ass. Everybody what you gonna run, especially when they see me. You mad ass. Just end the live.
You look stupid.
It's crazy because you really working them angles. You really
Finish.
working them angles. You
Finish.
on
I
the
finished
top
them, y'all.
of the head,
Mad
yeah,
fast.
you doing it
This
mad
is
good.
FAMO, y'all. This
You
is
don't
me
went
finishing
that way,
FAMO.
this way,
This
that
is
way, that
FAMO,
way.
y'all. This
And
is
the
why.
top of your
This is
head
the reason
never
why he
shows.
got his little fun because I couldn't get on
you
live.
working them
If a
angles right
person
now.
can't talk,
I'm
if a
feeling your
person
vibe.
can't talk,
I'm
then it's
feeling
just
your
gonna look
vibe
like
right
one
now.
got the
Teach
upper
me.
hand.
Teach me.
All right, hold on. Wait, what you said? Because you sound mad. You
I
sound
said
burnt.
you
know
working
what you
them
said?
angles. You hear me? You're working them angles because you just did mad movement and you never showed the top of
Oh,
your
he
head.
throwing the Frank. He throwing the Frank. That's the
It's a
mad shit.
plan.
When you mad, you throw the Frank, working the ankles. What you mean? The only time when I'm twirling, you know,
You
everybody
just
know
started.
that spin. The bitches, y'all.
Oh yeah, coming back. This nigga just started trolling y'all. I'm telling y'all, nigga, this nigga just changed. He changed his last name, man. It's 2018. We've been doing this shit. He changed his name to TAY
Exactly.
627.
Niggas saying mad dumb shit.
And he's saying mad dumb shit, trying to bring up mad other shit about this gang shit.
Nobody
I'm not
worried
talking about
what
that.
he saying.
I'm not about to explain myself what I am. Niggas know FAMO banga. It don't get more.
And listen, he
like
talk all this
you
shit.
hear it.
Oh yeah,
That's
bitches
it.
know who I
you know
am.
What I'm
so
jacking.
he talk all this extra shit.
What's up?
Now bitches looking at him like he's stupid. Like, what are you talking about? You talking about I'm dirty and shit? You know I'm not dirty, clown. Your fucking head like a motherfucking fat nigga kneecap. Where my
he got G on this swag. I
Your
swear
shit
to
like
God.
a pentagon.
Baggy
That's
tees
all my
and
life.
baggy jeans.
You had mad water in your mouth when you was just talking to us, bro. I couldn't understand nothing. Where to my mother? Your shit like a smush honey bun.
Nigga was really working them angles. I swear to God, he was like this the whole time.
This shit like a zebra cake. Where
How
my
you
mother?
like,
Your
nigga,
hair like a
come on.
the same shape as a zebra cake. Where my mother, bro? Your shit fucked up,
bro.
He was not trying to like niggas put two fucking knuckles in the front of your shit.
She said you got spit on. Never in my life did I ever go spit on. Come on, you know what's going on. I don't know who that dick sucking, but you know when it get over on 1,000 views, you know the white people from Texas and shit start commenting and shit.
What? He say he spit on you.
Oh, that nigga Chuck, you know what's up. You know what's up. Come on. Oh, shit. I'm telling y'all niggas, stop tagging me and shit, you hear me? Because I'll fess shit up, you hear me?
Nigga talk about
really fess shit up, like real.
Look, God, niggas running.
I can't see shit. What's that?
As you can see it.
Oh, you can see it. Y'all want to talk about running? Hold up. Do it. Y'all, we really got niggas running on camera.
Come here, you pussy, nigga. Come here, nigga, you pussy, nigga. You not towing? What you mean you not towing, nigga? Come here, homie.
Come
Pussy,
on.
nigga.
That's your man's.
You not towing?
He running.
Come here, you pussy,
You
nigga.
pussy.
Come here, nigga,
Come
you
here.
pussy, nigga.
Come
You not
here.
towing? What you mean you not towing,
Come
nigga?
here. Yo, I swear to God, like, we really got videos. Like, we don't just say we got videos. Like, y'all niggas, we got videos, we post videos, nigga.
The bitches that got me on Snap, everybody got me on Snap know what happens.
Yup.
I always got to explain myself.
Nigga say like a shit.
I told you his fucking head like a smashed honey bun. Shit like a honey bun that came straight out the microwave for a minute.
Yo, fucking clouds. How long I been on this shit? Oh my God, I never been on live for this long.
Nah.
We just gave this little nigga clout.
And this shit hitting. I know what this
That shit
is.
shooting. That's my sabon.
Y'all see what's going on. I'm tired of this nigga. I'm tired of niggas tagging me in posts. I'm trying to do this music shit. Yo, Ricky, you knew that though.
Niggas be running. Nigga talking about pussy. Your man's running. A lot of your mans, I mad at your mans. I never seen you. Never seen you in the field.
Nigga said
Probably was in the field back in the days, but I ain't see you.
Yo, bro.
Well, you already know. 2 fingers down, cause we what?
it's okay, little bitch.
And this shit, bitch.
Listen.